guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making very easy egg fried rice. So let's know the ingredients. For this we'll need 2 cups of boiled rice, 1 cup of carrots, julienne cut, 1 cup of capsicum cut into julienne, 1 cup green onions chopped. We'll also need 3 eggs, 2 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and half piece of chicken stock cube. First in a wok add oil, then add chopped garlic. Cook it for a minute, then add carrots and capsicum. Saute this for a minute. Then make some space in the center and add the eggs. Scramble the eggs, then once they're done, mix it all together. Then add salt, pepper, stock, soy sauce and vinegar and mix it all well. At this point, add green onions and mix it together. Now add the rice and mix it well. Close the lid and let it cook for a few more minutes and it's done. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day and like always, thanks for watching.